In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call a taxi on Booking.com. While Booking.com doesn't work like a ride-hailing app with an instant call a taxi button, it does let you pre-book reliable airport taxis and transfers, which is perfect when you want a confirmed ride waiting for you. Open your web browser and go to Booking.com. In the navigation or search tools, look for the section labeled Airport Taxis or Transfers. That's where the transportation service lives. Start by entering your pickup location, such as the airport you're arriving at, and your drop-off address, like your hotel or a specific street address. Add the date and time you need the ride, the number of passengers, and a note about luggage, so the system can match you with the right vehicle size. Next, you'll see vehicle and price options. Choose the one that fits your group and budget. Prices usually reflect the vehicle type, distance, and time. Before you continue, double-check that the time is set to the local time at your destination, and if it's an airport pickup, add your flight number so the driver can track delays. Make sure your contact phone number is correct and includes the country code so the driver or support team can reach you if needed. When you're ready, confirm the booking and pay. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation with pickup instructions. This typically explains where to meet your driver, such as a designated meeting point inside the terminal or a curbside location. Keep that confirmation accessible on your phone, and consider saving it offline in case you don't have immediate internet access upon arrival. After booking, look out for a confirmation email from Booking.com. It usually includes the driver's name or contact method, clearer directions to the pickup point, and notes about flight tracking so your driver can adjust if your plane is early or late. If anything changes with your plans, use the contact method in that confirmation to update details promptly. If your hotel reservation came with a free taxi or a transfer promotion, you may need to redeem that offer through a special link shown on your Booking and Trips page or in your confirmation email. Follow that link and complete the steps so the ride is actually scheduled. The promo isn't applied automatically unless you activate it. And that's it. By reserving through airport taxis or transfers on Booking.com, you'll have a pre-arranged ride, clear meeting instructions, and peace of mind the moment you land.